Hey friends, it's Annie with Indieconomy, and this is a super quickie video on a topic that is really frustrating if you don't know the secret. And that is, how do you talk to a person at eBay for help these days? So eBay has totally hidden how to get help from a person, but you can still do it. And this is how. You go to help and contact, and then just ignore all this. Come down here to contact us. Now choose some topic. It can be anything, preferably what you're maybe asking about. So, selling, I need help with a return request, whatever. And then go here where it says chat with our automated assistant or connect with an agent. And you might think this is not how you get to a person because it says automated assistant, but you have to go through this hoop. So you click that and you get this chat bot thing here, and it will suggest some recently dealt with items that you might want to chat about. If it's not one of those, just say don't see my item, or you can click on, and then it will make you go through this rigmarole of trying to get the answer from the robot, which in my experience never really works. So just choose something, and then it will say some random thing, and then it will say if this isn't right you can contact an agent, which is what you want. So contact an agent, and then at this point you can either chat with a human or you can have them call you. And as you can see, it's a really short wait for either of those. So that is the secret of how you talk to a human via phone or chat at eBay these days. Hope that helps. Thank you and take care.